Hello parents, I am Dr. Ritika Singhal, practicing pediatrician at Swasthya Multispeciality Clinic, New Delhi. Today, I am here to discuss a very common problem faced by the parents. That is, their 2 years, 3-year-old toddler is still not sleeping at night time, is playing throughout the night and sleeping in the daytime. They are really worried about the schedule of the child. They want to know when their child will start sleeping at night time. They want to know if this daytime sleep going to hurt their child or not. First, we need to know how our body knows it's a daytime and we have to be active, and it's a nighttime we have to be asleep. A 6 to 8 weeks child, that is a 2-month-old child, can make an understanding of a daytime and nighttime and decreases daytime sleep and increases nighttime sleep if trained to do so. Second, a child of 4 to 5 months of age can sleep through the night undisturbed. This daytime sleeping schedule will not disturb your child till 2 to 3 years of age, but once he starts going to school, because of his more sleeping attitude in the school, he will be less attentive and a problem of poor performance definitely arises. When the baby is in the womb, there is dark throughout the day in 24 hours. So, when the newborn baby is born, he is sleeping equally at day and equally in the night. As the time passes and proper guidance is given, the child can start decreasing the daytime sleeps by 2 months of age. For this, parents need to understand the basic physiology of day and night understanding by our body. A routine of day and night is known as circadian rhythm. It is controlled by many hormones. One of the hormone which is very important is called melatonin. And how do our body and mind gets to know if it's a day, evening or night? Very common, we know it's according to the exposure to sunlight. As the sunlight is increased, light is increased, our brain is told by this melatonin hormone that it's a daytime, we need not sleep. And once the light is decreased, our brain is instructed to decrease the activities and go to sleep. So, this cycle of day and night, when given right exposure to the child, a baby of 2 months can well be trained to sleep less in the daytime and more in the night time. But where is the problem? The problem comes when a very caring parent, knowing that the child had a very disturbed night sleep, will allow the baby to sleep in daytime with a very dark room so that the child sleeps well and very calm room. And also when the child is playing at night time, to avoid any injury, the room is well lit, the loud noises are allowed. That ways, the body of that baby will not understand about the difference of day and night. His circadian rhythm will never established. So, a parent can help their newborn baby by just making an understanding by themselves that their newborn baby is small enough not to understand verbal things, but his body and his mind is good enough to be trained by the hormones to know the difference between day and night time. That is why a very common problem, very easy solution. Even when your newborn baby is sleeping in the daytime, the room should be well lit. The sunlight should be allowed to maximum so that the brain is trained to identify it as a daytime. And when the child is playing at the night time, the room had dim lights, not much noises, so that the hormone melatonin tells our brain to go to sleep easily. Most of the parents, to keep the baby restrained to their bed place, sleep place, they take help of appliances like mobiles and television. But we need to understand that the radiation exposure of these appliances is as equal to as sunlight and again disturbs our circadian rhythm. The best way to handle this, that whenever you think that your child has a time schedule for sleeping, take the baby to the bed for 40 to 50 minutes prior to that. In a dim lit calm room, let him play and go by sleep. The common problem sorted easily. Now, a second common problem is that my child gets up very often at night and needs care or feeding. That also disturbs our schedule. When will he start sleeping throughout the night? I have already mentioned a child of 4 months can sleep through night without any feeds or any disturbances, but then again it needs an understanding of a very scientific process in our body. that can be discussed in next video in detail. Till then, thank you and goodbye.